back. So in today's video I'll be sharing few products which I've ordered from Purplle and their mini reviews. Now back then when I Heart Purplle sale was going on, I had ordered a bunch of stuff. So the links of all the products shown in the video will be given in the description box below. So if you're interested, don't forget to check those out. So without any further ado, let's get started. This is the box which I have received. So the first product is the Good Vibes Rosehip Radiant Glow Face Serum. This is what the packaging looks like, and this is what the product looks like from inside. Now this comes with this cap on the top, and this dropper is given along with it. When I used it, I realized it's quite a good product. Now it has an oil consistency, not a gel consistency. You can say it's between a gel and oil, and this is what it looks like. All in all, I think it's a very good product. When you apply it, it smoothens out your skin, it maintains the elasticity, it gives you a glowing effect, and it's very hydrating. The only problem I think with this will be for the people who have oily skin, very oily skin, because it has that oil based consistency. It is somewhere in between gel and oil based consistency, so you might feel oily when you're applying it. So the shelf life of the product is 2 years. You can use this just after you've washed your face with the dropper, 2-3 drops on your face. It provides an illuminating effect, and even while you're applying foundation, you can mix 2-3 drops of this with your foundation and apply to give that dewy effect to your makeup. Now next up, I have the NY Bae Kohl White, the big apple of my eye. This is how the packaging looks like, and this is how the product looks like. This is how it looks when you open it. Now this product is retailed at rupees 150 for 0.25 grams of the product. At sale it was available for 135 rupees. It is a very good white kajal. I'll give you a swatch. It is that jet white kajal you would like. So this kajal is smudge proof, waterproof, long lasting, and even highly pigmented. You can even use this as an eyeliner and a kajal, and I think a really good product for the price you're paying, so I really like it. So next up I have the NY Bae Super Matte Lipstick in the shade Nude Peppy Pearson. Now this is how the product looks like from inside. This is that lovely nude shade, you know, with a slight hint of brown, like a very light brown, a very pretty color. I'll give you a swatch of it. It says matte lipstick, but it is not drying. It is a very nice creamy formula. It's a bullet lipstick, of course, and the formula is really creamy and hydrating. From nowhere can it dry your lips. A very pretty shade, a must have for the price you're paying. So next up I have sheet masks. So these are the sheet masks which I have. So there is this amazing option going on Purplle that if you buy 5 of these sheet masks, you get 5 of them free. So each one of these retails for rupees 99 each, but on the sale, of course, it was available for 49. If you buy 5, you get 5 free. So this retails for rupees 99 for 20 ml of the serum inside in the sheet mask. So the shelf life of the product is for 3 years, which is I think amazing. So first up I have the Pomegranate Skin Damage Control Sheet Mask. Then I have Lavender Hydrating Sheet Mask. Then I have the Korean Ginseng Nourishing Sheet Mask. Then I have the White Tea Enriching Sheet Mask. Then I have the Rice Brightening Sheet Mask. Then I have the Grapefruit Sheet Mask, the Illuminating Grapefruit Sheet Mask. Then I have the Lemon Brightening Sheet Mask. Then there's Tea Tree Cleansing Sheet Mask, Blackberry Skin Refining Sheet Mask. Then there is Cucumber Cooling Sheet Mask. Now I've done a full how to use sheet mask and a full review of these sheet masks. So if you want to check that, if you want to see a full review of these sheet masks, don't forget to check that video out. So along with these products, I also got a gift from Purplle. This is the Good Vibes Papaya Brightening Face Wash. This retails for rupees 35, 10 ml of the product. This is no parabens, cruelty free and no mineral oil. I have not used this till now. So this was it for today's video, guys. Hope you liked the video, and if you like it, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and comment down below with what you want to see next. Until next time.